Finally, it's always my pleasure to stay with the professors. Unajua masomo yangu iko chini kidogo. So there was a process in biology called osmosis. So when you sit with the people ambayo wamesoma sana, something you can get into you and you feel a bit scholarly. So I'm always happy to engage with these professors, and since I started engaging with them, even my language has improved, my way of thinking, and it's always my pleasure. With those very many remarks, please be standing and assist me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Mr. President.
Asante sana, Bwana Deputy President. Let's take our seats. Thank you very much. Mr. Deputy President, Minister Machogu, the PSS President, the Chair of this great Presidential Working Party on Education, Professor Munavu, who was actually my teacher, and I am very proud of him. He taught me in Chiromo. The leadership and the membership of this Presidential Working Party, good afternoon. I welcome you back again to these grounds. We've had many meetings with you in different configurations. You've had many meetings with my Council of Economic Advisors, and today is that great day that we celebrate a job very well done. I am a very proud person today that finally we have a report that speaks to the most important component of what defines Kenya. We may not have many things as a country. We may not be endowed with many natural resources. But for sure, we have